All right, welcome back to Griddle Grub. We're gonna be cooking up some nice breakfast crunch wraps this morning. So let's check out these ingredients and get it going. All right, so here's the tortillas. We got some big burrito shells. We got some thick cut bacon, Chihuahua cheese with jalapeno, and this right here, we got some spicy breakfast sausage. We got some hash browns and these eggs. These eggs is where it's at. So let's get it going. All right, we got the Blackstone nice and hot. We're at 450. Yep. All right, let's get this bacon on first. Ooh, you hear the sizzle. Now, I did misspeak on that. This is not thick cut bacon. We could not find any thick cut, so. I'm gonna cook the whole package. Might as well. Come on, I just want that. That one was a thick one though. Alright, let's just get this. I'll get this on and I'll bring you right back. Alright, so we got some thin cut bacon here. This is the entire package. And I mean, this stuff's cooking up pretty fast. Oh, baby. Come on. Alright, I'm going to get all the bacon over here on this side so I can start cooking this sausage. There we go. Let's just get it all, except for that piece. This one's thicker and it was up front, so that's going to take a little longer. Look at all this goodness. Boy, look at that. Alright. Gonna get some of this grease out of here. There we go. Let's get that sausage down. Now this is, I don't know, roughly 2/3, 3/4 pound. We got that. And then I'm gonna, after I get this stuff going, oh, it's shooting at me. We'll get the hash browns going over here too. Oh yeah, you can smell the spice in this one. Alright, let's just let this cook up. Alright, so the sausage and bacon the bacon's pretty much done. The sausage is cooking up. Let's get these hash browns on over here. Got the oil creeping. We're going to throw a couple serrano peppers on. We'll put them right up here. Let's get a little more of this oil out of here, because these hash browns, they'll get real soggy if you let them sit in oil. Don't nobody want that. That's where the crunch is coming from. Alright, let's check this out now. Oh yeah, look at that. That's getting a nice cook. So the sausage is pretty much done too. Alright, the bacon. I'm gonna just take this stuff off. Yeah, there we go. Got a plate right here. This piece, yeah, we're all done. So we're gonna get some crunch from the bacon and the hash browns over here. Got jokes over here. I'm done. Alright. Make sure we're all good on this too. So let's get this out of the way. All right, we're done with that. We got them cooking up. So I'll even bring you back when I'm getting ready to flip these. Clean this up a little bit, get ready for some eggs. We're looking good. All right, so let's check on these hash browns now. All right, yeah, we're starting to get some color action going. I'm gonna switch them over here so I can get this side cleaned up. I'm gonna be cooking the eggs in this vicinity and doing my burrito wrap over here. So let's move this stuff. Boom. All right. All right, so everything's done, ready to go. Let's get these eggs. I got some bacon grease on there. Add a little butter. It is a little warmer here than I wanted just from all the cooking, but it's fine. All right. Now these eggs, we got a little onion powder, a little garlic powder. We got some cheese in there, some milk to fluffen them up a little bit. Just give them a nice stir, because this stuff is gonna come out good. Let's just dump it all on there. Look at that. Ooh, that looks good. All right, put that there. Let's see what temp we're even working on here. Yeah, it's like 400 over there. 360. All right. Oh yeah, this is gonna cook up nicely. Gonna have a little bacon flavor in there. All right, so yeah, we're just gonna flip this stuff around a little bit. I mean, they're pretty much done. Oh, we're getting there anyways. I did turn the heat down before I threw them on there just because I don't like cooking them on super high heat. All right, let's check these out. Ooh. Yeah, these are cooking up nicely. Oh yeah, these outside ones. There we go. All right, eggs are looking good. Nice and fluffy. That's why I add the milk. The milk helps them get nice and fluffy. Oh yeah. All right, well, I'm gonna clean this stuff up. I'm gonna throw, actually, let's throw this, put them right there. Let's throw the sausage back on. Get it warmed up. All right. Very nice. All right. Now we're cooking. All right, well, I'm gonna get this stuff cleaned up and organized, and I'm going to put this together. All right, so let's get this tortilla warmed up. Only needs to be on there for like 10 seconds or so just to make it nice and soft and pliable. So let's get that out of the way. Got the bacon, everything else is ready to go. Just warm it up a little bit. All right. Throw the old cutting board down. Just like so. All right, let's get some cheese. Get that on there. Let's throw a little bit of this sausage. All right, now let's throw on hash brown. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna throw the egg. I'm gonna throw the egg on first. Let's do that. There we go. Throw some bacon down. this thin cut bacon. 2 strips of that. All right, now hash brown right there. A little bit more cheese just to help hold it together. All right, let's fold her up. Got it. All right, fold her up. Oh yeah, this is so much easier after you warm the tortilla up, that's for sure. Last time when I made the regular Crunchwrap, I did not warm it up first, and it was not too easy to get it folded. See, just like that. Just like that, it's all folded, can't see nothing. So, let's get this out of the way real quick. And then, you know what, I'm gonna put a little oil down. I wanna make sure this fries up real good. Yeah, because we're nice and hot right here. Boom. All right, let that go. Let it fry up. All right, let's give this a flip. Oh yeah, could have gone a little bit more, but that looks good. All right, it's all done. Let's give this thing a look-see. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, let's cut this thing up. Got a little butter. All right. Oh, it's really, really hot. All right. All right, let's give this thing a try because it looks delish. I'm gonna come right over here. We got some Taco Bell fire sauce right here. Throw a little of that on there. Oh, or a lot. Let that run down. All right, let's get it there. That is perfect. Got some real good crunch with that bacon. That sausage has a great spicy flavor. It really kicks in at the end there. That fire sauce, always a good choice. Nice fluffy eggs. That is perfect. That is good. All right, well, that's all I got, man. I'm gonna eat my breakfast. Wife's trying to rush me over here, so let's just get it going. I appreciate you coming along. And destroy that thumbs up button until it turns blue. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. Subscribe if you like what you see, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.